if you're having problems with the Velcro coming undone because of potentially a large dog, we want to show you how to attach it. You want to make sure that the Velcro strip is securely against this Velcro strip. So start with the front portion here, getting up as far as it can, making sure that there are no wrinkles in the Velcro right here, pushing down firmly on it. Peeling it up if you need to make sure that the Velcro itself makes full contact. Okay? Running it down the sides and making sure that it's not overlapping itself and not hitting. All the way down both sides. To make sure that all the Velcro is making contact. Because as you can see, if it's not firmly pressed in place, it's easy to fall off. All right? And then when you turn it over, you shouldn't see any Velcro sticking out. There should be no Velcro. You can firmly attach it, like making sure that it's all snug. And that should keep the ramp from disengaging from the Velcro.